Why did you leave a lucrative job in cybersecurity to pursue a startup in this space? What made you say there's got to be a better way?
So I was working at a DOE National Lab at the time. It was a great place to start and build a career. One of the few places where somebody shows up with 300 computers, big machines, and says, do cool stuff. And one of the projects we had was basically trying to simulate a sizable chunk of the internet. The routes, the network traffic, virtual machines, the whole works. And one of the first questions you have to answer in something like that is it on? Which actually turned out to be a really difficult question to answer. You know, DOE National Lab, we have to move fast, so we needed tools that we could sort of throw at and then ask questions later. So at the time we were using Splunk, worked great for that, but ran into a few problems. We needed ground truth. Well, ground truth in that environment is network traffic. Couldn't eat network traffic into Splunk, so we had to build our own encoder in order to turn NetFlow into text. Got to be a little bit of a problem. Also, when you're running a million virtual machines, you blow licenses right quick. So that also became a problem going on. So it was one of those situations, and I'll call it typical engineering hubris. Look left, look right, younger guy. How hard can this be? Start a company, we can go do this. Let's rewrite this, ground up, do it right. Quite some time later, it's actually pretty hard. So we had to build a tool that didn't require a ton of pre-processing, a ton of work, and could answer questions that you really didn't know you had up front. We just needed a tool that could handle the unexpected.
Yep, I think that's fair, but I mean, kudos to you and the team. You definitely pulled it off.